Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Epic Games login loop error problem. Now there's only one way to fix this issue, and that is to uninstall your Epic Games launcher and reinstall it again. This is the only working method. So to uninstall your Epic Games launcher, you can just search for Control Panel on your PC. Search for Control Panel, and from inside Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program. From over here, search Epic Games Launcher and double click on it and click on Yes. Once you do that, your Epic Games launcher will be uninstalled. Once your Epic Games launcher is uninstalled, you need to go to your browser. On your browser, search for Epic Games Download. Once you search for this, click on Download Epic Games Launcher. Click on Download Epic Games Launcher. Once you do that, you will download the latest version of Epic Games Launcher. Install the Epic Games Launcher and try to log in into your account. Now, your problem should be fixed. And this is the only method you guys can fix this issue. Hope you guys were able to fix this. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Epic Games related videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.